Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am Dr. Thoracic. This is the short video lecture for my O-levels as well as A-levels biology students on this plastic model which I use to explain the different systems of the body. I'm just going to orient you for kind of a brief introduction about the cavities present in our body. If you are looking at this plastic model, you can see yourself that this plastic model shows different organs in front of you. This is the part when you're looking at very detailed, you can see this patch, a muscular patch, which we call a diaphragm. This muscular patch, which is a diaphragm, is a demarcating boundary between two cavities. The cavity which is located above this diaphragm is this thoracic cavity. This is the thoracic cavity, which mainly contains two important organs. One is the pair of the lungs and other is the heart, that is the respiratory system and the circulatory system, respectively related from these organs. If you come below the diaphragm, there is another cavity, and this cavity is called abdominal cavity. So this abdominal cavity is mainly contains digestive system and urinary system overall. So what you are looking at this a plastic model which shows very much resembling organs from our body. You are looking at this thoracic cavity. These are the two pairs of our lungs. When we remove these lungs, in a way, you see yourself, then you'll see yourself that there is a heart is just located on the a little bit left side of the thoracic cavity, and at this level you can see yourself the heart, the way the heart is located in our body. And then now you can see the clear picture or the clear level of diaphragm. This is a muscular layer or a muscular boundary, as I said, which separates the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity. If you look at it, I'll remove the heart, and below the heart, what you are looking at, you see yourself is this is the respiratory tract, which is coming from the pharynx to the glottis, then larynx. This is the trachea, and this trachea goes down, and you see yourself it supplies to the connects with the bronchi of the lungs. Just try to look at very carefully. Just beneath this trachea, you will see this muscular tube. This is a muscular tube, and this muscular tube is the esophagus. You know it this well, but this is the food path, a muscular tube which connects from the upper end, from the pharynx, and at the lower end it connects with the stomach. At the lower end it connects with the stomach. It's just a communicating tube, a muscular communicating tube, which conveys the bolus of food coming from the pharynx until the stomach. That's what you are looking at. This is the esophagus. So my dear students, this is the pattern what I adopt to explain O and A levels biology to my knowledge loving students. And you see yourself, as a doctor, I'm very well aware from each and every parts of the body and the systems of the body, and that's why I use this kind of plastic models. Usually this is the liver just beneath the diaphragm, this is the liver just beneath the liver, this is the stomach, and this is the intestine, small and large intestine collectively. So right now I'm not going to explain in detail regarding the digestive system. It's just a kind of an overview that I'll give you for using this plastic model in my explanation. I hope you all students pick the points, understand the concepts in a very thorough way, so you can see yourself the way these organs are placed in our body. This is a purely original model which shows a very absolute kind of arrangement originally which is present in our body. So I'm sure you gain a very important concept from this video. Thank you very much.